Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the vibration on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. Here you can find the settings section and go to the second option, the display, and go to the last option, the vibrate on tape. Provide haptic feedback when tapping the screen while driving on a map. And if you want to enable, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be orange, this function will be enabled. So the map can vibrate. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.